If we believe that any way is the right way, if we believe that any way is the right way, we become allies of this darkness and do not stand for the truth that is in Jesus Christ. Friends, when Jesus tells us that he is the only light and the only way to the Father, he is opening the only door in a pitch black room. It is compassion, it is love, and it is truth. The gospel is intended to be told. The gospel is intended to be spread. We sit in this room of darkness. We do not know where the door is. He opens the door, the only door out of this pitch black room. It's not oppressive for him to do that. It's not mean for him to do that. It is compassion for him to do that.